The NB Network with Dee's Sparta.
Season's greetings, everybody. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Yuletide tidings to all. This is a different background. The sun, though, is kind of wonking out the lighting, and I'm sorry. The sound might be a little odd, too, because I'm downstairs in the living room, and it's got like these high cathedral ceilings. So I'm sorry, but I want to try something a little different, a little fun, a little seasonal for today's unboxings. The first thing I got here, I did get Ipsy Glam Plus. Now, I didn't think I was going to get it. I said, no, I'm not getting any in December, but I got surprised, and here's one. So we're going to open it up. Now, I'm going to pull out one item here. Now, normally I would have my computer in front of me and I could tell you the price of these things. So I'm just going to have to post it up here while I'm editing and let you know the deals that you're getting. Now, first thing I got in my bag. Now, the bag looks like this. They try to make sure that everything will fit in the bag, but you know, it is so soft. It's like Santa's little gift bag, and I think it's lovely and adorable. But yeah, let's go back. I'm just gonna take some coffee, folks. It's Friday. It's a day. I think this is brushes. Oh, it is. I thought so, because LaRousse, I do like their brushes. I do. This is so soft. It's tapered face brush. These handles are awesome. I had gotten a full set of these and I had given it away as a gift to a lovely lady who just recently, a few months ago, started her transition. So, you know, I got to hook her up with some good stuff, right? And here is, they call this kabuki. Well, this is for doing, you know, your face mat, face. Also, and they're sturdy and soft. Sturdy and soft is really good. I've been wanting to get some new brushes. I know, maybe I'll just sit down and wash my brushes and chit chat with you all about stuff. Oh, okay. I just love the feel of this. Now, this is a flat angle brush, good for contours. It is amazing, and it feels so soft. Oh. And this other face brush here is a contour blending, also ultra soft and good for blending. Blend. This is great. Now, I'm not wearing any makeup today, but some lip gloss. It's Cocoa Bean from Gerard Cosmetics. I just love how pigmented the gloss is and how unmessy and just how it feels. All right. I only mention that because people are always asking me what's on my lips. So I will tell you. Oh my gosh. That is our Cat Duchess. This is embarrassing. Oh well. Now, this talks about Let It Glow is the theme, and talks about their Glam Bag X. Now, Glam Bag X, if you are a BoxyCharm subscriber, you would know about Boxy Luxe, which comes 4 times a year, every 4 months. And this is kind of like that. They're not doing their Ipsy Premium, their one with the 8 items, and some are full and some aren't. This is Glam X is gonna give you up to 7 to 8 full-size products worth up to $350. Yeah, I can't read with glasses and I can't see without my glasses. It's my life. And it's curated by beauty's biggest celebs. So I guess they're gonna have beauty gurus and influencers help design these Glam Bag X. Yes, I signed up. The first one comes in February. All right. Now into my little tiny, this bag, it's real nice, sturdy in here, and it's so super soft in here. This is such a great bag. Alrighty, so we have the Ibby Beauty Fireside Eyeshadow Palette. This is an Ipsy exclusive. It's nice being able to get some Ipsy exclusive from brands. Oh, ow, just broke my nail. That hurt. I'm back and nail repaired. And so I tried to get someone else to help me open this, and we just couldn't open it just by pulling the tab open. It's packed tight. So I had to use scissors, and you know, that works. Here it is. This is Fireside. So cute. Oh, the colors. Okay, folks, this is a great, nice color scheme. You even have a pop of green, black ice, cozy up, hoodie, nippy, s'mores, evergreen, hot cocoa, snow bunny, and below zero. I am going to swatch this and put swatches up. First, I would just want, okay. This does feel nice. Of course, I try to swatch the palest color, which you can't see on me anyway. Let's try a different color here. Ooh, it swatched really well. I look forward to trying this palette out. I think my daughter also, she really likes the color nippy, she said, and that does look really nice. My kid, she's popping in. Yeah. It looks like there's some like shimmers and mattes in here. With my lighting, you can't really see the shimmers, so hopefully you'll be able to notice in the when I go and swatch everything. All right, so let's go see what else is in the bag. Let's see here. This is color shifting pigments from Eye Luster Cream eyeshadow from Ciate London. Ciate London, I really have been liking their products. I mean, I noticed I started getting a bunch from these subscriptions boxes, but they really have, I haven't had one that was a bomb that sucked. So that's good. Look at this. It's a rose gold color. Doesn't smell toxic, which is good. I'll put a little, you can't really tell. Oh yeah, you can. Ooh, this is going to be lovely. This is a nice liquid eyeshadow. I totally dig it. This is awesome. Okay, and okay, now we have from Tarte, or do they pronounce it Tarte? Because in French, T-R-E-S is Tre. I actually remember that from high school. This is different. This is really, I've not seen a lip crayon or pencil or lipstick like this. It did intrigue me. This is one of my picks, I believe. This color is Belize Bordeaux. I do love a color like this. Actually, my wife really loves these colors. So yeah. All right, and see, now, if you've had some of their lip crayons, they're shorter, but they look like this. So you have the crayon, apparently, but there's supposed to be a second thing to it. How do I get to, oh, and it's under here. This is supposed to be a gloss. So you have the gloss, which you can't really see on my hand, and then the lip crayon. And it's a gorgeous color. Now, I do have their lip crayons. I've gotten them in something else. And I really, really like them. They are really a nice way to put on lipstick or color your lips. And this keeps everything, so if you want to put it in your handbag while you're out and about. Although, you know, wearing lipstick and much, you don't do too much. I know we can't because of our face masks if you're being safe. But when you take off your mask, when you're at a dinner table or so isolated, then you can touch up. So that's see, noggin, I'm using it. Let's see what else is in my goodie bag. Ooh, Now this, I think, was a pick. I picked this contour palette by Sonia B Miami. I'm just now recently learning more about their products, and so far things have been well, and I really wanted to try this. It's almost like a blush and contour. I don't know how well the highlights are. I will do post swatches. I did a little swatch of the highlighter. It feels very creamy. The contour, that is really a nice color. I look really forward to using this face palette. Now, I paid $25, right? This is a $25 gift bag. Do I feel like, yeah, my money is well spent? Oh, honey, and without even knowing exactly what the cost, because I do have an idea. I know these brushes are not cheap. I know this is really a good quality. This I'm in love with already. And you have two palettes, an eye palette and a face palette. Yeah, I got $25 and over. So I feel this was a great deal, and I will post what the whole total was, cost of these, with everything total up in here. Do I think Ipsy is on the way going better? I know Ipsy recently, the company that owns Ipsy bought out Boxy, and they're both trying to learn from each other. And if they actually take the good things from either company and put them together and they start doing that, I think we're going to see stuff that is more catered to us, the buyer, nicer items, things more towards our surveys of what we suggest, having more ability to pick more items. I really like that Ipsy allows us to pick the 3 items. Maybe BoxyCharm will open up and do a little bit more also. I'd like to see that happen. So yes, Ipsy Glam Plus is a winner for the month of December. And you also get the soft, cute Santa bag. So, yeah, I know, I'm rubbing it on my face. I don't have makeup on my face, so it's okay. I love you guys. Happy holidays. And I'll see you next time here on the Envy Network.
Thank you.